In this video, we will be discussing related addition facts. So you might get a problem like this one, which says, which is the related addition fact for 9 plus 1 equals 10? So you need to figure it out from the list of choices. So the way to do this is to know what is a related addition fact. So basically, if you add two numbers in either order, you will get the same result. This is a related addition fact, and they use the same numbers. So what this is really just saying to you is that 9 plus 1 equals 10. And the related addition fact for this is that 1 plus 9 also equals 10. So it doesn't matter which way you write the numbers, they will come up with the same answer.